Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will talk about interpretation. So now I want to show you how to answer. The first thing, we need to change this one into the limit. And I will put about 8. So we have the limit 8 approach to positive infinity. Next, this one we can do about factorization. So we can use about interpretation by substitution. So I will put about u equals to s squared. Later that, we need to do first the derivative for the both sides, and we have 2s ds. Because we don't have number 2, so we need to divide both sides by number 2. Next, we need to change the bounds. When s equals to number 1, so we put number 1 go here. So you got about u equals to number 1. When s equals to 8, so we put the value of 8 go here. So u equals to 8 squared. So this one we change for 8 squared. Number 1 we keep the same. This one we change for u. This one we change for u squared. S ds we change for du over number 2. Next, we multiply by number 4 on numerator and denominator. For with number 2 we have number 8. The next one we need to add about u squared. Later that we need to minus about u squared. So this one divide by this one. So we have number 1 u squared divided by u. We have u. The integration of this one, that is about Fn of the absolute value of u. The integration of this one, we have 1 over 2 Fn of the absolute value of u squared plus 4. And we put the bounds from number 1 to 8 squared. So 1 over 2 go inside this one. So we have the formula in here. So this one we can put like this. One over 2, that is about the square root. So we put a square gone here, number 1 gone here. So we divide by a square on numerator and denominator. So this one go inside the square root. This one we have number 1. When x approach to positive infinity, number 4 divided by positive infinity, you got number 0. Fn number 1, that is about number 0 in here. And we can simplify like this. And this one, that is about convergent.